How do I get rid of red ants in the flower pot without killing the plant? And this is Monica. So, Joseph, what do you think about controlling those ants that are in the flower pot?
Yeah, I would recommend using a bait.
Okay.
And just spread it out on the outside of the flower pot, you know, on the ground around the flower pot.
Right.
They'll get it.
They'll get it?
Yeah, they'll get it and get back up in their nest. And
you think that'll take care of them pretty good for you?
yeah, they'll take care of them.
Okay. All right. You have anything you want to add to that?
Oh, no, I like baits. That's what I would do.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, if she wants to, she can repot it.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Yeah.
That's a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
It's just easier to get some baits.
Yeah. Unless it's time to up pot, you know, maybe a good idea to do it at that time. Or you could use some water, maybe flood them out. Maybe that's a possibility as well.
That's true.
Yeah. So you could do that. But any of those methods, I think, would be good.